Welcome. This is New Method Steel Stamps, model 6400 bar marking machine, revision 2007. It will mark hex bars and round stock. Hex bars up to 4 sides and round stock on 2 sides. We have a cover here, fully enclosed, which should be used when running the machine for personal safety, and I will go through the adjustments here in a moment. The machine is equipped with an emergency stop button in case there is a jam, so that you do not ruin the driving die and or any of your bar marking dies. There's also a start and stop switch as well. The driving die is the lower die here, driven by an electric motor and a reducer. The dies are changed very easily by unscrewing the knurled nut knob and securing the new die on over the keyway and shaft and locking down with the knurled knob. The adjustment procedure is as follows. The customer must make, for every size bar that they are going to mark, a master setup. We have furnished a master setup bar for the 1-inch hex material. First of all, the bar should be inserted and the guide rollers adjusted to make contact. That is done with a handle underneath the machine base here, and cranking it in and out will adjust these guide rollers. Next, you adjust the quad unit down onto the milled area, which is 10 thousandths below the stock size. The quad unit is adjustable with a hand wheel at the top and a hand wheel at the bottom for whatever is more convenient. There are 2 locking knobs on either side. Once you adjust it down onto the machined area, you then back off these guide rollers somewhat and pull the setup master out. Then you switch the setup bar around and put the drive die side in and adjust the drive wheel or the following wheel down by loosening this lock nut and cranking up or down on this big wheel here and bringing it into contact on the milled area for setup, which again is 10 thousandths below the stock size. Then you're ready to start. You pull the setup master out and readjust these down to make contact with the fresh bar that you're going to mark. Make sure when you finally get the guide rollers adjusted against the stock that you lock both of them down with these little knobs there. After full adjustment is made for marking the bar, then close the cover, again for safety. Use the latch here. This is an access for those locking screws for the quad unit there. Make sure that this is closed as well and latched securely shut. The machine starts with the button there and you're ready to mark. And then insert it into the bar marking area, which will pull the bar through. Shut the machine off as the last bar travels through under the marking so that you can pull it free. And that's the New Method Model 6400 Revision 2007 bar marking machine. One machine that will give you many years of life if properly maintained.